Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Subaru WRX Limited. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 268 horsepower. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. This one also does come with the WRX STI front lip, side splitter, and rear diffuser. Black leather interior, sunroof. Come around back, we've got a rear spoiler, Subaru all-wheel drive WRX badging. Opening up the tailgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Alongside, this one comes with heated mirrors, keyless entry, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, our media display, a rear view backup camera. Our media display is also a touchscreen, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, heated seats. This WRX has 16,648 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of the Subaru, check out feldmannimports.com.